Morning, you guys. I am in a onesie. I bought it online at Khols and I love it. And then I just have my regular sports bra on. Oh. I was playing with the cat a little bit. Oh. Cute, Leo. And then I'm pretty sure I'm going to be making breakfast. I ordered a couple items last night to be delivered this morning, and it's like 8:50 right now, and they're supposed to be here around like 9:10. So yeah. And today's kind of a, I guess, more of a lazy day. I kind of want to put a couple more things on my Poshmark. We took down all of the Christmas stuff, so that doesn't need to be done. I don't really know. It snowed a lot last night, or all day, I should say, and so I'm pretty sure we really don't want to go anywhere. I guess the only place that I would go would probably be Target, because I need a storage unit for, like a storage container, not a unit, a storage container for the rest of my Christmas stuff, so it's not sitting out. But yeah, but I think that's about it for right now. So, hey. And he's like, you took my string away. Oh, and I'll definitely be doing some YouTube editing for a couple of videos. But yeah. So, oh, and if you guys are watching this, my what I got for Christmas is up on my channel, so check that out. And yeah, but I guess I will talk to you guys in a little bit. So now I'm going to make my egg bake because I have everything, and this will be a mealtime video with me, so stay tuned for that. But in this vlog I definitely will show you guys like the end result. So yeah, finally done. Looks awesome. I'm gonna eat it. Alright, you guys, I think I've done enough lounging around with the boobs. It's getting feisty. Because I won't let them sleep. But I'm gonna take a shower and then completely get ready for the day. So we just got this huge box in the mail. It says Rob's name on it, but we're gonna open it. Ooh. Pumpkin.
Flavors.
Well, that's dumb. Well, then we're gonna have to go and pick some flavors out. That's cool. Well, we could try it today and see what happens. You can do sparkling water too, right? The directions.
Not even like any coupons or anything.
Alright guys, so we're heading to Target. It's not too cold outside. Excuse me. It's not super cold outside, but still a little chilly. But we did get a lot of snow. Yeah, it's a little bit more windy. Bites you a little bit. Yes. Yeah, I can see my breath in my breathing. Back home. Alright guys, so we just got, ooh, my glasses are really dirty. So we just got done out of Target. And I saved some money because there are some things on sale. They're showing you Acacia brushes are on sale. And so I bought 3 of them. I got their large crease brush. And this was $2.98. Then I got this smudger brush for $3.48, which I thought was weird because you feel like the large brush would be more expensive, but whatever. And then I ended up getting another spoolie because these are really good to have. And then every single time I go like to Ulta, like they're always sold out of the L'Oreal Clean Artiste waterproof long-wearing eye makeup remover, and this stuff is awesome. It doesn't like irritate my eyes, so I just bought the last 2 that they had because I'm almost out. And then I just bought some boring liquid Band-Aid for work when I get cut and stuff, and it's hard to put a Band-Aid on it. So yeah. And then I bought a storage bin for the rest of the Christmas stuff to put away. And now we're gonna be heading home. So, yeah. Hey guys, so I'm really sorry I didn't vlog very much today. We were just really bumming around, not doing too much. I had a Poshmark sale, my first sale today, so that was really cool. So I'll mail that out. And then we have this little guy. I don't know if you can see the steam. Might be able to. But it's our new humidifier. And it's super cool because it does different colors. And we put lavender in it today. I don't know if you can see the, no, you can a little bit. You can see the steam in it and like changes colors. So that's cool. But we're all heading to bed. So thanks for watching this vlog and have a good night. See you later.